Hello friends, this is Shantanu and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can optimize your WordPress database and also how we can remove the database tables for those plugins that we are not using right now. Yes, this is a very big headache and majority of us are not aware about that, and we simply kept those old tables or old database tables for those plugins that maybe we have sometime installed it, but right now we are not using it. So for this tutorial, let me take you to my website first. So this is my blog. Now I'm running this blog for more than 3 years, you can say. So during these 3 years, I have installed many plugins. I have tried a lot of plugins. Now what happens whenever you install a plugin in your WordPress database, that plugin will create a couple of tables. Now whenever you remove that plugin or you deactivate or you delete that plugin might delete, but those tables may not get deleted. So how exactly we can remove that tables, as well as how we can optimize our entire database. Now if your target is to optimize the entire database only, so for that what you can do, right now I'm using WP Rocket plugin also, you can see that. So in WP Rocket plugin also there is a database optimization settings, so you can use that settings or as well. You can go there, you can see that where is that database. So in that database optimization you can see that revisions, auto draft, trust, spam comments. So whatever tables are there, so this setting is enough. It will automatically clean up your database and remove all the unnecessary things. But here you will not get the option to remove those tables which are still lying on your database, which are of no use. So for that what we can do, and we need to install a new plugin. In fact, if you're not using WP Rocket plugin, you are using any of the cache plugins, free cache plugins, then also you need this plugin. So that plugin name is WP Optimize. So just go to the plugins, add plugins, click on WP Optimize. So this is the plugin. You can see that how many install. This is a very popular plugin. So simply install the plugin first. Activate. So right now I'm installing it because I need to remove and I need to find out those database tables which are not at all in use right now. So what I need to do, go to WP Optimize. Okay, thank you for installing. Dismiss the message. Fine. So you can see that in the first tab, optimization tab, it is exactly the same things that I have shown you in WP Rocket. So if you are not using WP Rocket, then you just check all the options. You tick all of them, whichever is necessary. As soon as you click on run all the selected optimizations, it will clean up everything. So let's say there are comments, there are draft posts. So just make sure whenever you are running it, you take a complete backup of your website or whatever your post and everything. You just took the necessary backups and then only you run it, because as soon as you run it, it will wipe out all the unnecessary things and you will not be able to get them again. Now this is not our priority right now. Next, go to this tables tab. Now this is interesting. You just see that there are a lot of tables in my blog database. You can see that there are plenty of tables in my blog database. Now you can clearly see that those tables will show as not installed, means that plugin is not activated on my blog right now. So but those tables are still remaining on my blog. So what we can do, we can carefully analyze all the tables, and one by one we can actually remove those tables from the database. This will definitely improve your database performance. This will further improve your website speed also. So you just analyze whether any of the WooCommerce plus, you can see that. You just click on WooCommerce, WP Form Lite, then email subscriber, WooCommerce abundant card, WP marketing automation. So maybe sometimes long time back I have installed some plugin related to that. So for that, those tables are still there. So let's remove this table. You will see that warning, some plugins might not be detected as installed or activated if there are unknown folders, for example premium plugins. only delete a table if you are sure what are doing and after taking backups. Okay, are you sure you want to remove the table? So you just click on OK. So it will automatically remove that table. Just wait. So it's removed. So this way you can analyze this, all the plugins, all the tables installed one by one, and you can remove them one by one. So definitely this is not an easy task. You have to give enough time so that you can analyze those database tables properly, and you can remove those tables one by one carefully, because if you remove some valid table, then what will happen? Your website will lose some data. Then you will find some sort of a problem in your website. So this is a very useful plugin, WP Optimize. Whether you are using like WP Rocket or you are using any cache plugin, if you want, you can actually install that plugin in your blog, and occasionally you can run this optimization things, maybe weekly basis or monthly basis, and you can optimize your database. Definitely if you are using WP Rocket, so this optimization you will get it. But to remove the unused tables, you can install this plugin, go to the table section, and then you can simply remove those tables, and that is your one-time activity. And as soon as you are done with the activity, you can simply uninstall that plugin. So this is all about this tutorial. So if you find this tutorial useful, then feel free to like this video and also share this video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a new video, you get the notification immediately. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.